Requesting HSIP funding for equipment and projects is now easier with the Highway Safety Improvement Program (HSIP) portal. Before you start the form, there are two important items you must know. First, requests for rectangular rapid flashing beacons, or RRFBs, must include a signed and sealed engineering justification report as outlined under Chapter 5.2 of the Florida Traffic Engineer Manual, TEM. Secondly, school zone-related traffic control devices are not eligible for HSIP funding. We can now begin filling out the form. First, input the name of the agency you represent, your name, and your phone number. Then, include the name and phone number of a secondary contact. This is the person that can be contacted in the event that you cannot be reached. Next, we will get into the specifics of the request. You can select an equipment from the menu below, or select Other if you do not see the equipment you are requesting. Please submit another request form if you are requesting more than one type of equipment. Next, specify how much equipment you need. We will now start discussing the purpose of the equipment. Describe the proposed improvements and expected safety benefits of the request. How will this equipment impact your location? Afterwards, mark which strategic highway safety plan emphasis areas are supported by your proposed request. You can select multiple options and input your response if you do not see the option you are searching for. Next, describe the location of the request. Be specific and include the intersection name, corridor it is located at, the street name, and the city. To make sure we know exactly where you'd like the equipment installed, please include the exact latitude and longitude of the location. Then describe the reason for the request, primarily the perceived issues, past improvements, studies, and research activities. For more history on the location, please include the number of fatal crashes, serious injury crashes, and correctable crashes in the following sections. Please include any potential challenges you foresee with the proposed improvements to the location. You can select multiple options if they apply. And here's the section to include additional information or questions you may have about the equipment request. Now that the majority of the form is complete, you may have some additional documents that you would like to include in the request. You can submit these documents in the following way. Please enter your email in this field. Once you have submitted the application, you will receive an email asking for any additional documentation for your request. Simply reply to this email by attaching all of your supporting documents. These documents can only be in PDF or Word format, so if you have any photos you would like to include, please put them inside a Word document or PDF. Please note and make sure not to include the documents in the body of the email. No information written in the email will be kept by the system, only the attachments. We hope that you find this new HSIP funding request process useful, and we look forward to working with you to keep our roads safe.